Jodite migao mar arita kwe ne obiro kanyakla keto e lai tich korka kedo kod timbe njore mag omenda motisi gi nying mar luoko pesa to kod yango chenro mag kedo kod njore mamoko. Jatend arita kwe Dr. Fred Matiang'i kod ogai mar obila Hilary Mutyambai ogolo siem mojing ne josiasa manondo keto opara manyime e nyayo tim mag godhruok gi omenda masani omiyo kata mana kwan mag omenda chwing e kwan gi odok chien e bengi ma pachoka. Matiang'i wacho ni sani kata mana node mag siling 200 sani nokie bengi wira ni josiasa tiyo kodgi chiwo asoya ne jopiny ogone gi ombulu mano ma otisi ni Gonya.
All of you Kenyans who have been moving around the villages, you have seen people who are carrying money in bags, lining up citizens, giving them 200 bobs. The bankers in the room, you understand now you have a shortage of 200 shilling notes in your banks and 100 shilling notes in your banks because politicians are bribing villagers. People are not working. They are standing on the roadsides to get 200 shillings and so on from all these money launderers.
Matiang'i wacho ni od buro winjoro choge chik moro maketo lai motegno makedo kod timbe njore.
If immigration is not effective in terms of issuance of work permits and knowing who is around and who's doing business, who comes into the country and what they do, we'll end up with cases we have been dealing with. They have been called to parliament before to defend so-called Turkish investors who don't even have a bank account. And they are just operating around with senior politicians and saying they're investors, carrying briefcases and they don't even have a bank account and so on and so forth. And no one knows their address in town.
I'm coming here to partner with you in this noble exercise, and I would like to confirm that the National Police Service joins you in this launch this morning, and we are taking the direction, every details.
Riwruok mok mar piny owacho dwaro ni mondo kol oko chudhe masiro njore makelo hinyruok ne ngima oganda kod lwasi marach mar ohala.
We as Kenya seek to enhance our position as a financial hub in the region by fighting international crime, especially money laundering and terrorism or financing. Of course, the effects of money laundering is that it makes us vulnerable and it exacerbates threats such as corruption, terrorism, organized crime, and eventually insecurity.
We are also reminded that various terrorist attacks that the country did witness in the past did result to loss of lives, destruction of property, and also with the consequences of adversely affecting various sectors of our country's economy.
Jatend arita kwe Dr. Fred Matiang'i kanyakla kod ogai mar obila Hilary Mutyambai osengotio kanyakla kod ogai mar jomed buche Nurdin Haji e kolo oko kweth mag njore mar rocho chumi pachoka. Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.